Welcome back to another short video in my series focused on operations on my HO scale Santa Fe Slaton Subdivision. We find our train on the passing siding in Temple as it prepares to reverse into the industrial lead for Temple East. Santa Fe modelers may note the Cat Mountain Brewing Company north of the railroad property, a fitting tribute to a legend in the hobby, David Barrow, and his Cat Mountain and Santa Fe Railroad. Variations of his past HO layouts and his focus on operations has been an inspiration to this railroad. Today's video will follow the Temple East End job, which primarily serves two large industries on what is the east end of my Temple yard. The two industries are Wilsonart, a manufacturer of laminates and other composites, and Mars Pet Care, a producer of high-quality pet foods for several brands. This track diagram shows the trackage at the east end of Temple. It includes the Mainline from Houston, which is the east end staging, and shows off to the west as we head towards the west coast. There's also a passing siding here, and the line in red is the industrial lead that serves Mars, Wilsonart, and Pillsbury. Operationally, this job can be a little confusing because it is the Temple West End yard crew that works the Temple East job. And crews do quickly figure this out in a session. The West End yard crew works this job in the morning, and it is the Temple switch job that will serve these industries in the evening. This job often does include switching cars in and out of Jarvis Metals as well. The Pillsbury plant, while technically on the east end of Temple, gets switched by the Temple West job because of its trailing point switches. Wilsonart's two tracks servicing the plant are often full, with anywhere from 5 to 10 carloads of product being shipped on an average day. Power today is Jeep 7U 2240 and Jeep 35U 2879. Mars Pet Care receives its grain and base materials by truck and rail. Today we will drop 3 hopper loads in and pull 2 empties. The boxcars will have outgoing finished product for distributors. As the East End job continues its work at Mars, we see an eastbound intermodal picking up speed as it heads southeast out of Temple. This is the TRI-HO train, a TOFC train from Richmond, California to Houston, Texas. Thank you for sticking around and watching the operations video for the Temple East job. Please click like and subscribe to help support the channel. Until next time, Slaton Sub out.